Opening prayer. योग गणपति मूल मंत्र। ओम हम सं गं भगवते नित्य योग युक्ताय सच्चिदानंद रूपिणे विनायकाय नमः। श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति प्रार्थना। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। स्वामी विवेकानंद प्रार्थना। नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूरये सच्चित् सुख स्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे स्वामिने तापहारिणे। सामरस्य प्रेयर फॉर हार्मनी फ्रॉम ऋग्वेद। ओम संगच्छध्वं संवदध्वं संभो मनांसि जानतां देवा भागय्यथा पूर्वे संजानाना उपासते समानो मंत्रस्समितिः समानी समानं मनस्सह चित्तमेषां समानं मन्त्रमभिमन्त्रयेवः समानेन वो हविषा जुहोमि समानीव आहुतिः समाना हृदयानि वः समानमस्तु वो मनः यथा वस्तु सभासति। पंचांगम। अद्यतन पंचांगम सप्तविंशत्यधिक एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री विश्वावसु नाम संवत्सरः उत्तरायणं ग्रीष्म ऋतुः ज्येष्ठमासः कृष्णपक्षः सप्तमी तिथिः पूर्वाभाद्र नक्षत्रम् आयुष्मान योगः भवकरणं सौम्यवासरः। Today's date 18 June 2025 Wednesday. तिथेश्च श्रियमाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनं नक्षत्राधरते पापं योगात् रोगनिवारणं करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पञ्चाङ्गफलमुत्तमं। सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु।
Today, anyone noticed what yoga it is in Panchanga? Ayushman yoga. And then what is the day? Saumya Vasara. So in our tradition, It is said, especially in the Jyotisha tradition, it is said when Ayushman Yoga and Saumya Vasara come together, elders bless the younger, saying that Ayushman Bhava Saumya means may you live long, O dear one. So that is the traditional blessing that is given from elders to younger ones when Ayushman Yoga and the Saumya Vasara come together. So my prayers for long life, Ayushman, for everyone. So now we will continue Bhakti Yoga Shloka Sangraha. Om Dhyana Shlokaha Vasudeva Sudam Devam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Mukam Karoti Vacharam Pangum Langhayate Girim Yatkrapatamaham Vande Paramanandamahavam Atha Srimad Bhagavad Gita Bhakti Yoga Shloka Sangraha Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Chaturvidha Bhajante Ma Jana Sukritinorjuna Arto Jignyasurathati Jnani Chavaradashava Teja Kshama Dhriti Shaucham Adroho Bhavanti Sampadam Daivi Abhijatasya Bharata. One correction in this shloka, Tejah Kshama is not the right way of chanting. How should it be chanted? Tejaha Kshama. When the Ksha letter is there and before that there is a Visarga, it should be pronounced fully. Tejaha Kshama. Fully. It has to be chanted like this. Please once again. Tejaha Kshama Dhriti Shaucham Adroho Nadimanita Bhavanti Sampadam Daivi Abhijatasya Bharata Dambho Darpo Vimanascha Krodha Parushyameva cha Ajnanam cha Vijatasya Partha Sambaramasulin Daivi Sampatti Mokshaya Nivandaya Sulimata Mashucha Sampadam Daivi Abhijatosi Pandava Nantosi Mahadivyanam Vibhutinam Parantapa Esha Dudesha Proktaha Vibhute Vistaro Maya Yat Yat Vibhuti Matsattvam Srimadurjitameva Va Tattadeva Pagachatvam Mahatejosha Sambhavam Mayyeva Mana Atatsva Mayi Buddhim Niveshaya Nivasishyasi Mayyeva Ada Urvam Na Samshayaha Arjuna Uvacha Eva Metadhyathatvam Atmanam Parameshwara Drashtumichhami Te Rupam Aishwaram Purushottama Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Natumam Shakyase Drashtum Anenaiva Swachakshusha Divyam Dadami Te Chakshuhu Pashyame Rodameshwaram Sanjaya Uvacha Eva Mukta Tato Rajan Mahayogeshwaro Harihi Darshayamasa Partaya Paramam Rupameishwaram Arjuna Uvacha Kirinam Gadinam Chakrinam Cha Te मनो मे तदेव मे दर्शय देवरूपं प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास श्रीभगवानुवाच सुदुर्दर्शमिदं रूपं दृष्टवानसि यन्मम देवाप्यस्य रूपस्य नित्यं दर्शनकाङ्क्षिणः ब्रह्मभूतः प्रसन्नात्मा न शोचति न काङ्क्षति समः सर्वेषु भूतेषु मद्भक्तिं लभते पराम् सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः अन्धकाले च मामेव स्मरन् मुक्त्वा कलेवरं यः प्रयाति स मद्भावं याति नास्त्यत्र संशयः आब्रह्मभुवनालोकाः पुनरावर्तिनोऽर्जुन मामुपेत्य तु कौन्तेय पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता मृत्युसंसारसागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशितचेतसाम् ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे भक्तियोगश्लोकसङ्ग्रहः हरिः ॐ तत्सत् श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
Hari Om everyone. I am back again with a gentle reminder about today's event. On the occasion of the 11th International Day of Yoga, the School of Yogic Sciences SYASA is hosting the Yogvani, an extempore speech competition today at 3 p.m. in the MSc second year classroom, Yogic Science Block, 3rd floor above Annapurna Hall. It will be a vibrant and an insightful session where participants will share spontaneous reflection on the theme Yoga for One Earth, One Health. We warmly invite you all to join us. Come support the speakers, cheer for your peers, and celebrate their voices and spirit. Last minute entries are welcome. So if anyone still feels inspired to take part, there's room for a few more voices. Just connect with us before the event begins. Looking forward to your enthusiastic presence and support. See you there. Hari Om.
Namaste all. I'm very happy to inform you all that our Honorable Guruji and Vice Chancellor Sir has touring Europe and as well as Middle East as a part of ADY celebrations. They are spreading the message of yoga throughout the Europe and as well as Middle East. Let's have a glimpse. Thank you for watching. We are also gearing up for Saturday program, anyway, the grand program. The dress code for faculty and students will be the white SVSR t-shirt and as well as the track pant. Okay, so it's a compulsory, mandatory for all of you, all faculty and students. Friday we will be having a rehearsal in front of Tarangini so that we can have the mark of which students wear and everything. Friday 3:30 we will be having the big rehearsal also. So advance I'm telling the dress because of you have to get ready, wash and iron and keep it. Okay, that's why 3 days early we are telling to them. Tomorrow we are coming up with a complete program details of Saturday's program. Request Jairamanji to hoist the flag after the chant. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukha